Hello friends, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of a white screen on Google Maps. You click on settings. Here we go to apps, default apps, app settings. Here you will go to Maps app. Then we click on first stop and you will click OK. Here we'll enter to storage. Then we click on clear cache. After that you'll turn off your Wi-Fi and you'll turn on your Wi-Fi again to fix that problem. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for your watching.